Hey Watch Depot gang, today we're taking a look at a special release from Seiko in their Presage cocktail time range. There are two watches to unbox today, a ladies model and a men's. It's always ladies first. So this here is the SRE015J STAR BAR limited edition. You may be familiar with the STAR BAR limited editions. These aren't the first collaborations Seiko have done with the award-winning Tokyo cocktail bar, and it likely won't be the last. With a 30.3mm case diameter, this model is certainly dainty, even for a women's watch. However, it will wear comfortably thanks to the stainless steel linked bracelet and its one-touch three-fold clasp. Now, you're probably wondering what is going on with the hardlex glass around the edge. It might look like little diamonds from afar, but it's just clever design from Seiko. The glass has been cut from the inside, and this produces a glitzy, diamond-esque effect. Now, apart from the size and this cut glass, the two models are pretty much identical, so let's have a look at the men's model. This is the SRPK93J, sporting full-size dimensions of 40.5mm in diameter, a lug-to-lug of 47.5, and a thickness of 11.8mm. And something I have not mentioned yet is the absolutely stunning dial. This striking black to grey gradation dial uses a shimmering texture that changes quite a lot depending on the angle of viewing. This texture is meant to be reminiscent of cocktail ice, and the gold tone hands and indices are representative of the shimmering light of Tokyo at night. Beautiful stuff from Seiko's marketing team, and whoever designed this dial needs a raise as well. It looks fabulous. Yeah, the dials are really pretty, and I think Seiko and STAR BAR have done a great job at encapsulating the vibe of Tokyo's skyline. Personally, I can't take my eyes off this watch. Now, apart from the gorgeous dial, this is a standard Seiko Presage with the 4R35 movement, affording 41 hours of power reserve and including a date window at 3. 50 meters of water resistance is stated, which just means you're okay with washing your hands and walking in the rain, but I wouldn't recommend swimming with one on. Both of these models are limited editions, with 9,000 pieces of the men's model and 6,000 pieces of the ladies model. I guess they aren't banking on everyone wanting a matching STAR BAR Presage with their significant other. Anyway, that's a quick look at the new Seiko Presage STAR BAR releases. What do we all think? Let us know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.